So, how do you teach a 1-year-old how to pee-pee standing up? At this point,
Pee-pee.
I give up.
You gonna pee-pee in there?
I get the